Hi, I'm Asmita Das and I recently shifted to Bangalore. So I was in a difficult process for house hunting, and trust me, there is one thing which helped me and solved all my problems, that is none other than Gharpe. So Gharpe is here which provides you flat of your preferences, affordable price and just how you need. So come, let's check out the flats that Gharpe got you. नया शहर में सेटल होना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होती है, आई नो, पर सेफ्टी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना बिल्कुल नहीं. दैट्स वाई दिस अपार्टमेंट गॉट बायोमेट्रिक सिस्टम एज सून एज यू एंटर एंड ऑल्सो 24/7 सिक्योरिटी. वी ऑल्सो हैव लिफ्ट अवेलेबल, सो यू डोंट नीड टू वॉक अपस्टेयर्स टू स्टेयर्स. नाउ लेट मी शो यू द रूम. कम विथ मी. बाय. एक अच्छा घर ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल है, आई नो, बट दोस्तों के बिना रहना और भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. इसलिए घर पे ब्रिंग्स यू गुड प्लेस, अफोर्डेबल प्राइस, कोजी लिविंग रूम. सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. So here is where you're going to stay. We have a spacious living room over here. Over here you can sit with your friends and watch IPL. The TV is also provided. It's fully furnished flat. You have study table over here. You can use this as a workplace also. The TV is over here. You can also keep your cute home decor things over here, well cabineted. We have a refrigerator over here where you can store your food. Your proper ventilation available over here. The refrigerator is big enough to store all your things. You have a cute modular kitchen. You have all the things that you need for cooking. You have a basin over here. You have RO water, microwave, induction cooker and everything, rice cooker and all. You have well maintained cabinets over here where you can store your things. Also, you won't be missing your ghar ka khana. You can hire cook or cook by yourself the tasty meals that you need. Everything is available over here. Also, there is a proper ventilation and a window available over here. You can check this out. Here you have again cabinets, a drawer to keep your plates and spoon and everything. You can see they have sections made over here. It will keep all your things organized. Here again there are huge space. So the kitchen is spacious enough to store everything that you need, like the kitchen things that you need, and you won't be having any problem with it. I can assure you that, and it's so cute. Like I literally feel like cooking something right now, but I don't know how to cook. So yeah. So there is a washroom over here. It's well maintained and clean washroom. So if you like this video and like this room which I am going to show you, don't forget to WhatsApp us in this giving number. Moving forward with the room where you're going to stay, let's check it out. So here is the spacious room where you're going to stay. Here is a bed which is really comfortable for you to sleep like a baby. Also, the most important part, again you're getting a proper ventilation available over here. You get proper sunlight also. So for girls, those who look for that one perfect spot to click pictures, that sun-kissed picture, you know where to come. Moving forward with the wardrobe, so you have full size wardrobe available over here where you can store all your things, your clothes, your skincare, your laptop or whatever you want. You can store everything over here. You're also getting a locker types over here where you can store your things. You have a mirror attached to your wardrobe. So this is the room. I hope you liked it. This living room is really spacious. You can enjoy with your friends. You can sit here and watch IPL and also watch movies that you want, Netflix and chill. The sofa is also really comfortable. If you are doing flat hunting in Bangalore, so we have 100 plus flat available in Bangalore, whether it's Kormangala, Whitefields, HSR, BTA, Marathali, no matter wherever you're looking flat. If you're looking for 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, no matter whatever is your preferences, we got all sorted for you. You just need to call us and mention whatever you need and we will reach out to you and give you the best possible flat. So when you're looking for a flat, what do you look for? A spacious living room where you can enjoy with your friends, a big space where you can cook your tasty meals, a big wardrobe, a big bedroom, or a well ventilated flat, and also maybe you're looking for a clean washroom and a work from home setup. So I'm going to show you one by one what is there and why you are supposed to stay over here. So let's check it out. Starting with this big sofa where you can sit and chill. The sofa is so soft and comfortable that you can invite your friends and watch Netflix and chill and also watch IPL because it's IPL time. We cannot miss that. We have a refrigerator over here. You can check. It's big enough to store all your food. We have a kitchen over here. The kitchen is modular kitchen. You have RO water over here, induction cooker, rice cooker, microwave and all the things that you need in the kitchen. Here you can keep all your things organized, the spoon, the whatever utensils you want. Here you can keep organized. You have many cabinets available over here. The cabinets are over there also. You have a proper ventilation over here. Okay, now there is a surprise for you. Should I tell you now or should I make you wait till the end of this video? I think I should make you wait till the end of this video. Till then, let's check it out, the room where you're going to stay. So this is the room. You have 10 inches mattress over here. You can see the bedsheet is also there. It's a king size bed and is very soft and comfortable. You have full size wardrobe available over here. And the mirror is also attached. The locker is also there. And over here also you can keep all your clothes and whatever belongings over here. And also for all the work from home people, don't worry, we have a work from home setup for you. Over here you can work, you can study. Moving forward with the washroom. The washroom is well maintained, clean and it's hygienic. It looks like hotel like washroom. Everything that is provided in the washroom is of premium quality. So we don't compromise when it comes to quality. Now, the surprise I was talking about, it's here. You have a balcony over here, which is the best part of this room. Can check the balcony, you get proper sunlight and the balcony is very spacious also. You can keep cute plants over here or you can just decor, like that aesthetic kind of thing over here. It's very cute. I love this because whenever I'm looking for a flat or something, the balcony is something which I prefer because I need more ventilation and air in my room. I hope you like this room, and if you like this room, don't forget to WhatsApp us in this giving number. And if you're looking for any specific area, if you're looking for a flat and you're not getting that, so you can WhatsApp us or you can just comment down below. We will try to reach you out and we will help you out finding the best flat only for you. So guys, ये था घर पे फ्लैट का full tour, full of amenities, exactly what you need, cozy place and also affordable price. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That will mean a lot to us and it will help me create more videos specially for you. So comment down below whatever you need. If you're looking for any specific area, I am here to help you out with your needs. Thank you.